Hello everyone. The detained advocate Adv Teffo refused to appear in the dock in Pretoria Magistrate Court on Thursday, 10 August. This happened after he was arrested on Tuesday, 1 August. Teffo has previously represented 4 accused men in the case of slain Bafana Captain Senzo Meyiwa. In May, he was banned from attending the Meyiwa trial. Teffo faces charges of malicious damage to property, assault and theft. He was supposed to appear and take the stand, but he refused. His legal representative, Advocate Ike Khumalo, told the court that his legal team has decided to withdraw from representing him. Khumalo said, "We are still consulting with the client, hoping that someone will come and take over." He requested the magistrate for their team to withdraw. When the magistrate asked why they wanted to withdraw, Khumalo said Teffo wasn't listening to them. He said, "We are not coming to an agreement with the client and he is not taking our advice." He raised factual and other legislative reasons. "It wouldn't do us justice for us to represent him for our views differ, and we saw that we can't represent him if he can't listen to us." Khumalo told the Daily Sun publication that they have different approaches to the matter. He said, "We feel that we have done all we could do. We fought for him. You were here. We were fighting." He stated the very same reasons he stated earlier, that he is not properly charged and therefore the court has no jurisdiction over him. They will argue that when they come back with the new legal team. The case was postponed to Wednesday, 16 August, for Teffo to appear with his new legal team. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.